Hello students, today we are going to see a new pre-writing skill activity, and also this activity is one of the pre-writing skill activity, that is pouring activity. So are you guys ready to do the activity? Now we are going to pour the grains. Pouring, pouring, la 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 la. Pouring, pouring, la 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 la. Pouring, pouring, la 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 la. They have to pour the grains without splitting it out. So now I'm going to tell about the advantages of pouring the grains. So the first is develops fine motor skills, strengthens hand and finger muscles. Second one is like improves hand-eye coordination, where helps kids control movements accurately. Third one is like builds concentration, which encourages focus while transferring grains carefully. And fourth one is teaches control and balance, where helps them learn how to pour without spilling. Fifth one is like introduces measurement concepts, gives an early idea of quantity and volume. Sixth one is like promotes independence, where children learn to manage tasks on their own. And finally, this encourages responsibility, where teaches them to clean up and care for materials. Students, you should not stop by only seeing the video. You have to practice it in your home, take it as a video and send it to our number. Okay, you will get an exciting stamps and stickers. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.